All right, guys, we got a Dodge Charger 2022 Scat pack all the way from Memphis, Tennessee. We're gonna do some a mid-muffler delete and an X-pipe delete on it for you guys. I'm gonna let you hear what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Again. Go ahead. Again. 103. 22 Dodge Scat Pack 392 Hem. Sexy little beautiful car. Nice green color. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. Then what we did on it, did an X-pipe delete and a mid delete. Haven't done this one yet, so it's 2.5 inch pipe all the way back into his existing valves there and there. And then we left the rears on there and there. He's gonna come back and take those off next. And factory tips that he's gonna come back and put 5 inch in their place. There's that X-pipe and mufflers we took off right there. There's the mids, and there's the X-pipe. Now let it scream. Like always, guys, if you like our work, make sure you subscribe. And you guys can tell he's been doing a lot of burnouts. There and there, look at that. That's awesome. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, you know, all that stuff you guys do. We really appreciate it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, thank you. What do you think? Yeah. Go ahead. Much better. What you got? Here's the sound decibel. Again. 122. Again. Wow, I like this setup. It's still clean because you kept the resonators on it, but it's loud, you know? It's mean. Memphis boys representing. That sounds phenomenal. Wow, heavy beast mode.